Nicolet Plastics is an ISO-certified company specializing in injection molding of complex parts from 3 facilities in Mountain, Jackson, Ripon, Wisconsin, each with 41,000 square feet and 31,000 square feet and 54,000 square feet facilities. Our Mountain plant focuses on low to medium volume runs with our capabilities over 20 presses, 30 to 610 tons with mold temperature controllers, servo and hybrid robots. The 31,000 square foot Jackson facility focuses on medium to high volume work and operates over 21 electric injection molding machines and 1 hybrid machine from 50 to 240 tons. Our years of experience in tool making and innovative technologies allow us to provide insert and custom injection molding, engineering, manufacturing, and assembly operations. Our specialties include design assistance, DFM/FMEA, overmolding, custom designing, and labeling. We also provide training programs. We design automated processes for high-volume assembly to save you time and money. Semi and fully automated processes are used whenever practical. We offer metal to plastic parts conversion. Plastic conversion benefits include lighter weights, lower costs, more design flexibility, consistent quality, and faster production. Our secondary services include design consultation, CNC machining, plastic welding, heat staking, assembly, kitting maintenance, and packaging. We work hard to understand the intended function of your part and meet your key objectives by application of material science, design principles, analytical tools, and process controls. Choose from more than 200 materials, commodities, and engineering resins. We'll help you balance performance and price and identify equivalents to reduce costs. To learn more, contact us today.